Hey, I'm up here at Verrado Highlands, a gated community within Verrado that is nestled up against the White Tank Mountains here with beautiful unobstructed views. And so I'll just go real quick through and tell you a little bit about Verrado Highlands. There's two phases. This is the second phase of 3, and they still have about another year and a half to 2 years construction. So they're figuring through at least 2024 with the phase 2 and possibly even through 2025 with build out. This is the summit floor plan that is modeled, and we have the modern prairie elevation, which is this real nice modern look. And this home, the sign over here shows it's 2493 square feet. I show that the floor plan is 2510 square feet. I'm going to go through here real quick so you can see the layout and how it's configured. I really like this look. Sand finish, nice tall door. Being the model, it'll be decked out. In the common areas, we'll have 12-foot ceilings. I'm going to turn to the right here and go right into this first bedroom, which is very nice. And it's got a Jack and Jill bathroom that adjoins to another bedroom. Full bath. Inside these bedrooms, we'll have 10-foot ceilings, and in the hall, in the common area, there'll be 12-foot ceilings. Also in the den, which will be up here on the right. So it's really nice and open and airy. This door would go to what is the garage. Currently, it is their sales center. And then real quick, there is a half bath, powder room, and then the laundry with access from the master bedroom. And I'll walk around the other way so you see that. It's really a beautiful floor plan. So nice and open. What I love about this is that huge slider that offers unobstructed views. And if you see here, it does have that view fence, which goes to, or gives you just great views from inside the home straight out into the desert. Now, I did mention the other day, and I stand corrected, so I wanted to make sure that I noted this immediately. I, in a previous video the other day, stated that there will not be any other construction in front of this between the mountain, but I stand corrected. There will be another small enclave of homes that will not be part of the Highlands. Now, the Verrado Highlands, like I said, is in the second phase. And then there's going to be a third phase, which is going to be further up above. And I'm told that this other area where they're going to have these homes will not be part of the Highlands. So it won't be accessed through here. And I'm told that the developers are still trying to work out whether they're going to access it somehow from this side of the mountain or coming up from the west, which would have to be from over by the Founders Golf Course, where there's the other custom homes. And so they're still trying to figure that out. I was thinking that maybe if, so they're just finishing a parking lot for the trail system up here in Verrado, which is all through here. But the parking lot is just on the other side of the mountain that we're looking at here. And if you see that level area up there, it looks like that could be made a road that's going to access it. But it's important to note that the homes will be built at a lower elevation. So I'm really not sure exactly where they're going to be built, but they will not impede a view from this phase 2 or for the Highlands, these people that are, you know, paying premium for these lots. Anyway, it was very important that I corrected myself on that, because the other day I made a video saying that there would not be any other homes built in front, but I was wrong there. But just incredible views from here, and this whole side going up, well, for the most part, this is Capital West's homes, and then from where that flag is going up, those are David Weekley's homes, which have incredible views as well. Go back through. This appears to be about a 15-foot slider. And I really like this floor plan. I shot the traverse and the traverse up. The traverse is right at 2,244 square feet. The traverse up, which has a staircase that goes up to another living space, and then a view balcony, an observation deck. And so that was really nice. I shot that yesterday. But this is I love the open space here and how grand it feels. And then the master bedroom will also offer great views of the mountain. I personally, even seeing this window, the first thing that jumps out at me is I'd want to have another slider here. This way it's even better views. And throughout this whole area, there's miles and miles of trails that can be accessed right off this community. You can walk right out into Jackie Mack Park. This is really nice. His and hers. Nice closet. Back to that laundry room. And this bedroom measures, I think it's just under 18 by just under 17. Nice size. Once again, the bedrooms have the 10-foot ceilings, and the common area out here have 12-foot ceilings. Great use of space. Great use of the windows. Okay, if you're new to seeing my videos, I live, work, and play here in the Buckeye area. I was one of the first residents in the Verrado community back in 2004. I shoot a lot of video that features the builders and their models and their floor plans. Plus, I shoot a lot of video for clients that are relocating from other parts of the country, and there's only so much you can get online. Although you can get a lot of information online and maps and access to all sorts of data, I go out to physical sites and take video, shoot video, and show potentially what a view will look like, what might potentially get in the way. You know, for example, you know, when you look at lot layout, there might be 15 vacant lots that haven't been sold yet. And so you might not really realize what it'll look like once it's been built up. For example, Capital West, it's more of a rule of thumb than anything else, but if you got a single level floor plan, they look to put another single level floor plan next to it so that you wouldn't be sitting between, I was trying to get those jets. So you wouldn't be sitting between two-story homes that kind of swallow up. You know, it kind of, if you've seen a single level home between two level homes, you'd know what I mean. It kind of takes away from the way the home looks from the outside and the views from the inside. And now a single level home is going to have